Hi everyone, welcome to Crafting with Julia. I'm Julia and I'm so glad you tuned in today. If you enjoy my video, please hit the like button and leave me a comment. I love to get feedback from my viewers. Also, I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you can be notified of all my newly released videos. Also, feel free to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and I invite you to join my Facebook group called Crafting with Julia's Creative Community, where you can be part of my crafting family. All of those links are in the description below this video. Today's video is part of a DIY challenge hosted by Jackie from Crafting in Mimi's World and Melissa from Melissa Makes It DIY. The name of the challenge is 12 Days of Christmas Ornaments. The challenge is to create one Christmas ornament per video. This is a Dollar Tree transformation. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you again real soon. Happy crafting!